Assalamu alaikum. I'm Azra Mufti, and today I'm here to share my story with you. I've been sharing my story, my experiences, my achievements with the audience for a long time, but today, on the request of Mr. Amir, I wanted to share my story with you. तो मेरी जो पैदाइश है वो बारामूला में हुई. आई एम born and brought up in district Baramla, and I did my schooling from St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Baramla, and then further studies I did from Chandigarh. After that I did my doctorate in business management. I'm an author of two books. My first book, Tearful Pages, came out in year 2016, that talked about the crimes against women. And my second book was a novel about creating awareness about the mental health issues of youth in our valley. So I have been blessed enough, and I've received a tremendous love and support from people of different backgrounds. I really feel blessed when people look up to me and consider me as their role model. I receive a lot of appreciation from young girls, especially who want to follow their passion in the form of writing, in the form of art, in the form of culture. So I really hope that my story inspires lots of girls out there who want to create an impact. I'll be honest enough, I was very average when I was in my school. I never thought that I would become a writer and I would be so much involved in the field of writing. But yes, one thing is there that I always used to read a lot. Reading is something that really helped me to bring out the best out of me, because I used to read all genres. I used to read books. I used to read newspapers. That's what really helped me to hone my skills. And I really hope that people who want to contribute in any way, who want to achieve their dreams, they should not just let them go, because dream is the only thing that belongs to you. Otherwise, you have to live your life satisfying others, you have to live your life pleasing others, but a dream is one such thing that you do for yourself. So I really hope that you follow your dreams, you chase your dreams, and come out successful. And in case you have any queries, you want to talk to me, you want to share your stories, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, you can follow me on my Facebook page, you can follow me on Twitter, and get in touch. I'll definitely try to talk to you and talk about your journey, and if I deem fit that your story needs to be highlighted, so definitely I'll give you a chance. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Follow your dreams.